Hey JJ, what is it you want to tell me?
I'm not Daddy.
You're
Gandalf.
what?
I'm Gandalf.
You're Gandalf.
I don't. I'm Daddy.
How old are you?
Daddy!
How old are you?
Papa!
What color is your hat?
Yellow.
No.
Green.
No.
Yellow.
No.
Yellow!
What color is your coat?
Red.
No.
People.
No.
People.
No, it's blue.
It's blue.
Yeah.
Because of my hat.
Your hat is blue too.
My hat is blue.
Yeah.
It is cats are blue.
What?
No, it is grass.
The grass? What color is the grass?
People.
No.
Sunny.
What?
Sunny!
What color is the grass?
People.
No.
People.
It's green.
It's green.
Yeah.
Hey, not that knocking.
Hey JJ, say a knock knock joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Apple pie.
Apple pie who?
Say.
Was it yummy?
No.
Bye.